Hi, my name is David, and today I want to share my real experience with VigorTrix. If you've been struggling with low energy, reduced stamina, or a drop in libido, or simply feel frustrated because no matter what you do, your body and performance just don't feel the same, stay with me because what I'm about to share could be a turning point for your health, vitality, and confidence. For years, I battled with fatigue, low motivation, and declining sexual performance. It affected my confidence, my daily life, and even my relationships. If any of this sounds familiar, I know exactly how you feel. Everything started to change when I discovered VigorTrix. What really caught my attention is that it's a 100% natural formula designed to boost energy, enhance sexual performance, and support overall male vitality. The blend combines powerful ingredients like catuaba, beetroot powder, maca root, tribulus terrestris, horny goatweed, and vitamin C, all known for increasing stamina, supporting testosterone levels, and improving circulation. I wasn't hesitant to try it because VigorTrix is made in FDA-registered facilities, GMP certified, and non-GMO. That gave me real confidence when I placed my order. But does VigorTrix really work? Yes. Within the first week, I noticed increased energy, better focus, and more restful sleep. With consistent use, my strength and endurance improved, my libido returned, and I felt more confident both physically and mentally. It wasn't just temporary, it was restoring my vitality from the inside out. How long does it take to see results? Some men notice improvements within the first week, but the best results come from consistent use for 3 months. That's the time frame that really allows your body to restore energy, performance, and overall male health. One moment that really stood out for me was when I went to the gym and could push myself harder than I had in years, without feeling exhausted afterward. That simple moment gave me back my confidence and sense of strength. If you decide to try it, I highly recommend getting at least 3 months' supply so you can stay consistent and give your body the time it needs to fully benefit. Another thing that gave me peace of mind is the 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't notice results or aren't satisfied for any reason, you can request a refund with no hassle. That made me feel completely safe giving it a shot. I want to make it clear, I wasn't paid to record this video and I don't usually share this kind of content, but I chose to tell my story because I know how life-changing it is to finally feel strong, energetic, and confident again, and I believe it could help any man who feels stuck the way I did. I also have 2 very important warnings, so pay close attention. VigorTrix is not sold on marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Buying there puts you at risk of receiving a fake version. VigorTrix is only sold through its official website directly from the manufacturer. I left the link to the official website right below in the description of this video. I truly hope this video has helped you, and I also hope VigorTrix helps you as much as it has helped thousands of other men. When you start your treatment, come back here and share your experience. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to finally take action.